Make a great choice today with the 2022 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.